Inside this Cambridgeport startup is a potential answer to the energy crisis.
I always approach this problem from the perspective of imagine a world in which, and finish the sentence.
Well, imagine a world in which batteries the size of refrigerators or even shipping containers could power individual homes or entire neighborhoods. That's the vision of Donald Sadoway, professor of materials chemistry at MIT and co-founder of Ambri.
Take the word Cambridge, drop the C, and drop the DGE. Ambri came right out of the heart of Cambridge because this is where we invented the liquid metal battery.
A liquid metal battery that could store a lot of electricity efficiently and sustainably.
The way this battery would work in conjunction with renewable sources of electricity like wind and solar is that the battery would accumulate power and store the energy when the wind is blowing, when the sun is shining, so that you use some portion of the electricity as it's being generated and you store what you don't need.
A process that is far more expensive in conventional battery technology.
If we can hit the price point of the electricity market and make these batteries affordable without subsidy, then they truly would revolutionize electricity, even in conventional grid.
Which would then revolutionize your electricity bill. In theory, homes equipped with a liquid metal battery could sell unused power back to the grid. And Sadoway says his innovation could also make the grid more robust and less prone to blackouts.
Now we have a grid that is more reliable, less prone to price fluctuations, provides better use of existing capacity, and emits less pollution per unit of electricity generated. It's win, 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 win.
For his work, Sadoway was hailed by Time magazine as one of 2012's 100 most influential people in the world. His lab at MIT tests his research while prototypes are built at Ambri. So, how does the liquid metal battery actually work? Well, the exterior is heavy and insulated. The interior is a multi-layered cocktail of liquid metals and molten salt, as seen in this lab demo.
The driving force for the reaction is that the upper metal wants to alloy with the lower metal. And in doing so, it sends current through the external circuit.
Because the batteries are made of liquid, Sadoway says it will be easier and cheaper to enlarge them.
You have to think about cost at every step of the way. So that means a battery design that is straightforward and easy to manufacture without requiring costly facilities, high vacuum, special atmospheres.
Another plus, easy to find ingredients from our backyard.
I've said if you want to make something dirt cheap, make it out of dirt and preferably out of American dirt. We're talking about liquid metals that are earth abundant and optimally found on the territories of the United States, so we have a secure supply chain.
Sadoway didn't turn to other battery experts for help with his invention. He went straight to his students, who were novices in the field of energy storage.
And I mentored them, and they were miracle workers. I mean, they invented things that people just didn't imagine could be invented.
This is the smallest prototype of liquid metal battery.
Why did that happen? Because I think they have a clear mind that's unfettered, lacking bias. So we like to think about not only inventing technology, but inventing inventors.
One inventor is PhD student Salvador Barriga, a California native and son of Mexican migrant workers, who's the first in his family to go to college.
We're dealing with batteries that can one day potentially help the grid, and a lot of communities can benefit from this, not just America. It feels good to be able to work on a project that will have some positive benefits in the future.
We need to heat it up.
Sadoway's team is going strong. Among his funders, Bill Gates, who lent his support after watching Sadoway's freshman chemistry lectures online. Not bad for a professor who believes intellect and optimism go hand in hand.
I'm having fun. This isn't drudgery for me. This is a blast.